Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and today we are learning about the letter V. Our special V words are van, vase, vault, violin, and volcano. Our special guest words are nut and cake. This is a V. It makes the sound B. Try to say it with V. V. Great job. This is a van. Vans are big vehicles used for transportation. Van. This is a vase. Vases hold decorative items like flowers. Vase. This is a vault. Vaults hold valuable items like money or jewelry. Vault. This is a violin. It's a stringed instrument played with a bow. Violin. A volcano is a mountain that emits hot lava and gases. Volcano. Which word does not belong? Van, nut, vase, vault, violin, or volcano? Which one does not fit? That's right, it's nut. Nut does not have a V sound. Let's play again. Which of these words do you think does not fit? Is it van, cake, vase, vault, violin, or volcano? That's right, it's the cake. Great work. Now, can you point to the van? Great job, this is the van. Now, can you find the vase? I'll give you a hint. There's a flower in it. Great job, this is the vase. Now, can you find the vault? Good, this is the vault. Now, find the violin. Great job, this is the violin. Now, can you find the volcano? Good job, this is the volcano. Repeat after me one more time. Van, vase, vault, violin, volcano. Great work. Follow along at storybee.space for more. I'll see you on the next one.